Hello, to customize quick settings on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into this quick settings right here, scrolling from the top to the bottom, and here we have the edit button, so let's simply press it, and here you can drag around, move your icons here. You can also delete icons, and you can add more icons from there. Here you have system toggles, app toggles, and let's say I want the performance mode in my quick menu, so let's just add it, and let's see if I can. Yes, you can basically add all of the applications, I think, to your quick menu right here. So that's how you do it. To add them, you press this plus. To delete them, you press the minus. To change the position of them, you have to press and hold, and then drag them around and put them somewhere you want. So yeah, that's it. There's no button actually to get it back, to reset it to default. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.